Welcome to Len's Introduction to Word Processing with LibreOffice Writer. My name is Len Nasman, and in my earlier lifetime I spent more than 40 years creating instructional materials to teach people how to use computer-aided design software. At this time I'm retired, and I live in Bristol Village, a delightful active retirement community in southeastern Ohio. And I've been spending a lot of time helping fellow residents with computer issues. Some of my friends are interested in learning how to do word processing. I decided that the same time-tested approach for teaching new CAD users could be applied to teaching people how to use word processing. This set of videos is designed to accompany the printed version of Len's Introduction to Word Processing. To get the most out of these videos, you'll download the PDF file and you'll keep that document at your side as you go through the lessons. Your technique should be to view part of a lesson, stop and follow along in the printed tutorials, practice a little bit, and then come back and view the next section of the lesson. If you want to use your computer to simply replace an old typewriter, Lesson 1 is probably all you need. However, if your goal is to produce professional-level, nicely formatted documents, then you need to learn the basics of word processing. Word processing, using LibreOffice Writer, allows you to create colorful documents that have headers and footers with automatic page numbering. Documents can have the text wrap around graphic images. You can create documents that include a table of contents that reference special locations in the documents. You can create newsletters that have multiple columns. Word processing requires an approach that's different from simple computer-aided typing. If you have experience using a typewriter, you know that you have to format pages as you type. You need a bottle of whiteout handy to fix mistakes, or you have to resign yourself to retyping pages when you decide on a better way for the pages to look. In word processing, you can spend your time concentrating on getting the words down. Formatting the document to improve the appearance is an important but secondary consideration. Once you learn how to set the computer to use the text styles and page styles you want, then you can focus on the creative writing process. In these lessons, you'll see how the process of creating and modifying styles for paragraphs and pages provides you with powerful tools that, once you learn them, will allow you to create professional appearing documents with a minimum of effort. If your goal is to create documents that use common formats, like a newsletter or a series of lessons, or even a family history book, then you should take a bit of time to learn the basics of word processing. If you're new to writing with a computer, you should not expect that all you have to do is turn the computer on, install the word processing software, and immediately start creating wonderful stuff. After all, if you buy a piano, you'd not expect to start playing complicated compositions by Bach or Chopin right away. You'd start with something simple, and then practice your lessons over and over again until your skills improve. Learning word processing requires the same approach as learning to play the piano. You should start with something simple and practice until you're ready to perform. If you watch this series of videos and follow along with the instructions in the printed version of the lessons, you'll soon be able to amaze your friends and family with your professional appearing documents. To complete the lessons in this tutorial, you'll need to have a computer with the program LibreOffice version 6 installed. LibreOffice is available for downloading. Just go to the LibreOffice.org website and locate the download page and download and install the latest version. So now it's time to dump that old typewriter and get started into the exciting world of word processing.